We're going to demonstrate how to unclog a toilet. Most people think they know how. I'm going to give you some pointers that may help you out. The first thing we need to do is clog the toilet. So we're going to use a lot of toilet paper here because nobody wants to see a bunch of grunge in the toilet. We're going to give that a flush. And then what we're going to do, I want to fill this right up to the top of the bowl. I'm going to continue holding the handle down. We've probably all been in those situations where we've flushed, stepped away, and saw the water rising like it is right now. And kind of our initial reaction is anxiousness and fear that it's going to overflow. And we get a plunger and we start frantically plunging and create a huge, bigger mess than what we had originally. And so I'm going to give you some tips here. And you can see water's coming right up onto the rim. We could basically have a full bowl of water. And in this case, I'm going to use the ultra sanitary toilet plunger, but the premise is the same. So I mentioned earlier, there's air inside of this cup right now. What you want to do is stick that cup in at an angle so we get some water flowing up in there, and then push it down towards the bottom. If it's air in there, when you first plunge, sometimes that air comes up and creates a big bubble and a big wave that starts splashing all over the place, and you want to eliminate that. And when you start plunging, you don't want to plunge like you're trying to churn butter. You just want to be nice and forceful, but one good plunge at a time. Clog broke free. In this case, I'm going to pull the tab on the protective sleeve. We've got a clean plunger that's never touched the water. And we have a clog that's been free. We have no mess on our floor. We have no mess on the toilet. All we need to do is load another protective sleeve and we're ready to go.